Unfolding the feast of phrases. Exploring, lay out a feast. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, lay out a feast. This is a phrase rich in imagery and cultural significance, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Lay out a feast is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. To lay out means to arrange or set something out for use or display. A feast refers to a large and elaborate meal, often prepared for many people and for a special occasion. When we combine these words, lay out a feast conjures the image of preparing a large, sumptuous meal and arranging it beautifully for guests. This phrase is often used both literally and metaphorically. In its literal sense, lay out a feast can be used when someone actually prepares a large meal. For example, if you attend a wedding and see a huge spread of food, you might say, "They've really laid out a feast here." This usage is straightforward and relates directly to the physical act of preparing and presenting food. Metaphorically, the phrase can be used in various contexts. For instance, if someone provides an abundance of options or opportunities, you might say, "They laid out a feast of choices." Here, the feast isn't about food but about the richness and variety of what's being offered. It's a creative way to express that there's an abundance or a lot to take in. In many cultures, preparing and sharing a meal is a sign of hospitality and celebration. The phrase, lay out a feast, taps into this universal idea. It implies generosity, care, and the intention to delight or impress. By using this phrase, you connect with a deep-rooted cultural practice that transcends language. We hope this exploration of the phrase, lay out a feast, has been both informative and enjoyable. Whether you use it literally to describe a lavish meal or metaphorically to depict abundance in other areas, this phrase adds flavor and color to your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the images and ideas they evoke. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.